Okay, so this is how to put your rainbow together. So the fill line is to the middle. That's how you fill it, right to the middle there, or to the top of the dome, whatever you can see better. What you do is simply slide it in all the way to the back, and then push down firmly. That clips it. And then the hose is this wonderful new connection, engineered, designed beautifully. This, you just lay it at the bottom and then lift it up. To disconnect it, just push down on it. So you push down, that disconnects that clip right there. All right, and then this right here for your power head. The power head, see the blue button in the back? So the blue button, you press it to release it off the lock. And when you're gonna lock it, just press down and it actually locks it in place. To take the power nozzle off, right here, put your foot there and lift it up. And then you're gonna put the other one, which is the floor brush, which is right here. So the floor brush is for all the bare floors. So you can sweep, you can mop, just with this one right here, all your beautiful, beautiful floors. And then you just place it right back in there like that, align the back, push it down, and it's ready to go. And then obviously the trigger is what turns it on after you have it on. And then last on the front here, on the top, I'll show you the right here. So you got the main button is there. That's the main one. That turns it on. And then over here, the minus is less, and then less, and even less, and then super low is quiet in the bedroom, right in the nighttime. And then I'll lift it up a little higher. And then that's the, right here, you can, half hour, it'll shut off, an hour, or 90 minutes, and then it'll shut off by itself.
Just to clean up the air in the bedroom?
Air, correct, yep.
Okay.
For extra filtration, yeah. And then last, when you're not using it, just leave it open like that, and the purpose of that is to let your water reservoir to air out.
Okay.
So when you're just running it to clean the air, do you have to have water in there?
Yeah, so always with water. The only time you don't have water is if you have a spill of water. Now you're sucking up water, and that's how easy
And
it is.
when you're storing it.
And you're storing it, leave it open. And then over here, I'll bring out the air cleaner. So the air cleaner's right here. All right, so that's the button right there. Right now it's on low, but you can put it medium. You can put that's high, medium, or low. All right, so depending on what, you know, initially, like tomorrow, do it on high just to start pulling even more of the particulates. Now this is the pre-filter light, and that's the main filter light. You can see they're green. If one of them goes red, usually it's a pre-filter light. Okay. And then that means to vacuum the back filter. And then the one in the back, yep. And then when you're done vacuuming, just press and hold it, and that resets it, and then you're good to go all over again. Okay. All right, so there it is. That's a little preview on how to put your rainbow together.
If we need you, we have you on speed dial.
Yes, exactly. I tell people 24/7 only. Monday through Sunday only. And then after that, you know, kid around. But yeah, anytime call me. Yeah. All right, thank you very much.
Okay, so just hit the red button.
Yeah.